कर लो. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love you so much that my heart slips a beat when you call my name. Only you are the one who can make me feel carefree. I love you a lot. I want to be with you for only two time, now and forever. You have made my heart brighter than a brightest candle. Thank you for being in my heart and completing me. Our love bond is stronger and sweeter than anything. I want to be in your arms because even my soul feels peaceful. I thank God that you are my husband, and I believe that you will always be there for me, and I will also be there for you all the time. You are free to hold and leave my hand, but please hold my heart forever. I feel so good when you smile. I fell in love with you because when you loved me, I couldn't even love myself. I don't want anything from life except you beside me. I feel so lucky that at time when you are with me. Don't say you love me until you really do. I may do something crazy like believing it. No matter wherever you go, your name will always be in my heart. If your life is 100, I wish to be 100 means one day, so that I never live without you. Our love is a special bond and it cannot be broken. It will get stronger no matter how much hurdles and struggles we face. Since the day first when we met, you have changed me. I cry less, laugh harder, and this is just because of you, my dear. I want to be your favorite hello and our best goodbye. I love you. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.